R82. Got the grim reveal. Everything's hooked up here to the side. Got a JP34 AB on the mids and highs. PRV DSP. Got my little fan hooked up. Try to keep some air circulating back here. You still got some air coming through from inside the cabin through the little PVC pipe and all that. So should get some nice air conditioned air going through there too. Try to clean up my wiring as best as possible, but not too bad, right? Back. Got the JP 84 or 83, my bad. There's some defuse block. The battery box back there. Looking pretty sweet. Alright, for the best part. Of course, the doors. Y'all already seen those. Bam. Check that out. We got 3 Sundown XV3 15s. This shit. I did a little test turn on. Everything works. And just even at low volume, that shit was already rocking. I'm about to take her out for a little spin. See how she does. Of course, you know, no more than half volume. Still want to break them in properly, you know. And of course, they could handle more power than what I got on them. It's wired at 1 ohm. Or the final impedance was like 1.2. So they're dual ones, but all the coils are resting at like 0.7. So I know they could handle more. I had that same app on the 2 XV2s, and you know, they seem to be, well, like they could barely handle it. They did heat up relatively decently. Let me get that through hitch. Hold on. There you go. Imagine seeing that walking by. Yeah, they used to heat up pretty decently after playing, at least, you know, like after like a full song or two. I'd start to just like smell them heating up. You know, I wasn't necessarily cooking them; they weren't smoking or anything, but yeah, I knew it was a little too much for them. My original plan was to do 3 of the XV2s, but they were discontinued, and I could not for the life of me find anybody selling another dual 4 XV2 15 specifically that, you know, wasn't beat to shit, or, you know, they weren't trying to, you know, charge a premium. I mean, I guess this is a discontinued item. You know, they're still going to hold their value, or if anything, get more expensive just from the supply and demand, you know. But yeah, couldn't really find one, and I just decided to wait until Black Friday and then scoop me up the XV3s. And you know, I already knew about the M series coming out. I almost did the M series, but I don't know, I just wasn't really feeling it, because I knew, just comparatively, I knew it had like a smaller motor structure on it than even the V2s. I mean, you got the quad stack versus the triple stack magnet, but I knew it was a lot like skinnier, but it was taller. And like I was considering, but I'm like, if I can get the V3s for, you know, what, like $100 more, $50 more, depending on where you're getting them from, I was like, might as well go with the bigger, better ones. I was still trying to stick within a certain budget, because I ain't rich, y'all. Just working with what I got. But yeah, came out of pocket a little bit between the subs and all the equipment for or not the equipment, the building materials. And I had to get new wire too. I got all the clear and black wire. Got all that because I was running just a bunch of that 2-aught welding cable, which was doing all right, but I just kind of wanted the just the looks of the car audio wire. So I wanted to go along with the theme. I don't know about y'all, but I couldn't find any clear welding cable. I kind of wanted to stick with that. I mean, I think it does look nice, even though it's barely any of it's showing, but still, just made me feel better. But yeah, guys, finally done. Literally took me 9 days, start to finish, of working literally anywhere from 10 to 15 hours a day, every day straight, working on this thing to get it done. And I'm still gonna have 1 day to rest before I gotta go back to work, so that's nice. I got everything cleaned up. That's all just random shit. Just from installing the subs and tuning the DSP. But we're wrapping it up. It's been fun, but I'm gonna get to slapping, y'all. I'm gonna go test this shit out, and I'm gonna post up some demo videos here soon. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. I'll catch y'all next time.
Below who I am, back on the track when they got good people.